How's it going, guys? Working on a 2020 Acura ILX. It is a push start car. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to do the reset oil light. This one's got about 6,000 miles or so. A pretty new car. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the car again. Keys are inside the car. Push the start button twice. Do not have your foot on the brake because it will start the car. You don't want to do that. So click 1, 2. It kind of lights up and see maintenance, A1 do and all that. We're going to be using these buttons here, up and down, and then the select. Now using the up and down, we're just going to scroll through that and then just kind of show you. It shows oil life 15%. It'll even show you here the vehicle settings. Once we get the vehicle settings, go ahead and click the select button, and then it takes you into the setting option. Oh, we got some glare. All right, and then we're gonna go scroll down until we get to vehicle maintenance info. There you go. Click select, and then you can just scroll up and down. It'll show you automatically A1 request, oil light 15%. We're gonna go ahead and click reset. Click that. Reset complete. And then we can just, click, let me zoom out. We can go ahead and just click that out. And then we can turn the car off and turn it. We can actually run the engine. I already verified the oil level and all that. And we no longer, oil life is at 100, so you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys.